I don't know about you. I'm a 30-day max girl on a sewing. I had baby girl in for a month and a half now. It's time for her to go. Chop chop. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here. We're gonna take out this weave. You need to comb a clip and to comb out that hair. You don't want it start pulling or none of that being napped up. Separate your hair from the weave, braid it down, clip it up, and let's get this started. You want to find the initial knot that they put in to close up your sewing. Once you clip that, you can just go through and find the string. The string is what you are looking for. Find the string, put your scissors through it, and cut it to ensure that you're only cutting the string, okay? We don't want to cut the hair. We don't want to cut your hair. And once you get to a comfortable place, as you can see, you can just start pulling the string out. And you don't have to cut it as much. But once you get to the end, again, of course, you got to cut it off. And voila, first track done. Here is our starting string again. And again, I'm just pulling it and pulling it and pulling it. Each string until we get back to the ending string. And then we clip that out as well. Easy peasy, okay? So then here's another method. You pull on the track and the string will start exposing itself because this is where it's more loose at. And then again, you just keep pulling it out. Once you get to the starter string, or if you get to a place where the string isn't coming out fast, you can just start clipping it. But make sure you pull on the track to make it taut or tight, and then you can see the string more visibly. You see, just like that. You see how I'm pulling this track up to see the string, and then I can clip the string just like that, like so, okay? We got that all out. Here's what it looks like. Easy peasy, right? And that is all for now. Bye.